Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to handle multiple browser windows in Playwright. In web application, when open a new windows or tabs and to test them effectively, we need to switch between these windows. I will explain step by step how you can switch between the windows. So let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on test folder, new file, and then enter file name, window dot spec dot ts. First import test and expect from Playwright test. Now create a test and then enter test name, switch between windows. This is test case name, async, and then page. Now we will write the test case here in the callback function and write test case inside this. So here, when we click on this, as you can view here, new window is open. After opening this window, we need to make sure that new window text should be displayed, and here this text should be displayed here after switching into new window. First, I will show you how we can switch to a new window and then back to the main window. So refresh this page and copy this complete URL. Open VS Code, enter here, await page dot go to, open this URL. This is for navigate to the test page where a new window can open. Const new page is equal to await promise dot all on bracket and here event in the same browser context. So here we will add page dot context dot wait for event from bracket and page. This is for wait for event. Now click on the link. We need to click on this link. Click here, right click here, inspect, scroll down, and this is the link. This is anchor tag, and we can locate this element by this text. Page dot click, round bracket, and then comma. After this, we need to add here bracket and here closing bracket. This is anchor tag, so we need to add here anchor tag. After this comma, now what we need to do, we need to click on this one. This is anchor tag, and here double quote, enter here. Here we are getting some error expected because we need to enter here and error has been gone. This line for clicking on this link. After clicking on this link, we need to add wait until the new window is fully loaded. Enter here semicolon. Now wait new page dot wait for load state. This is the method, and round bracket inside. After clicking on this link, we are expecting this text should be displayed. So right click here. Let's see how we can locate this element, and this is heading 3 and the text is new window. So we can locate this element by this text, which is new window. This is for wait until the new window is fully loaded. Await, expect new page dot locator, and locator here heading 3, which contains new window text. Heading 3 dot 2 have text. You have text new window. This text will be displayed after clicking on this link. Now, we need to switch to a previous window, which is main window. Await page dot bring to front. By using this method, we can open a previous window. It will switch focus back to the original page. Now, add here assertion. As you can view, after switching to this main window, this opening a new window, text will be displayed in main window. And this is heading 3, and this heading contains open a new window, heading 3. Await, expect page dot locator, heading 3 dot 2 have text, opening a new window. This is for check that the heading in the main window is correct. Now we can run the test. Before running the test, right click here and format document. Click on view and then click on terminal. After clicking on terminal, we need to enter here npx playwright test window dot spec dot ts headed project Chromium. Save this file for reflecting changes. This is await expect new page, and this text new window will be displayed. Open Chrome browser and new window. So copy this text and enter exactly new window here. Now save this file and run the test. In this scenario, first it will open this URL and click on the link. After clicking on this link, new window, this text should display, and then switch to the back window. As you can view here, test passed. We can add some date here. Page dot wait for timeout 2000. Now again run the test. Test is running and running one test. Open Chrome browser, navigate to this URL and click on this link. This new text displayed, and here you can view test passed successfully. So that's how you can handle multiple windows in Playwright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Playwright tips and tricks. See you in the next video.